Whenever someone buys a product from RAK, we make sure your experience is simple and satisfying. We're all about connecting from the beginning of your customer journey. We value timeliness and efficiency, empathy, and ownership. From the start of your purchase to the end, we are here for you. We help you pick the right products for you, to correct your purchase when needed, to give you updates on your shipment, and to guide you through every step of the way. Our goal is to make your experience smoother, better, easier. Through 24/7 online chat support, through email responses in less than 24 hours, through community channels like Discord, and through assistance services, how you need it, when you need it. Don't take our word for it, take theirs. At RAK, we value customer satisfaction, but at the core of it all, we value you, our community. Excellent customer service made easy.